What's up, guys? It's MaCenna. Do you want to be Romeo or RJ?
Romeo. It's much better.
Oh, what? It's much better. I met you. You introduced yourself as RJ. I've known as RJ for 10 years, and now all of a sudden Romeo is much better.
Yeah, it is.
This is my boyfriend Romeo. Say hi.
Hi.
And today we're going to be DIYing ugly Christmas sweaters. Hopefully they're ugly enough, but cute enough to still want to wear. So do you know what you're going to make?
Nope, that's what I was looking on my phone.
You know what all these supplies are?
Yeah, sure.
What is this?
That's a hot glue gun.
Ooh, okay. What's this?
Glitter.
Glitter.
Blue glitter?
What kind of glitter? Blue glitter.
What do you mean? It's glitter.
It's glitter glue. So you don't need so you don't need glue to put it on there. It's already like mixed in. So it's glitter, blue glitter glue.
Okay.
What are these?
Jingle bells.
What's this?
Paint.
Okay. What's this? Oh yeah, what's this?
Twisty tie.
No! Try again.
A blue twisty tie.
No.
I don't know.
It's 2 words, and the last word is cleaner.
Glass cleaner. It's blue.
What do you have in your house that flows the water through your house?
A pipe.
And what are these?
Pipe cleaners.
They're pipe cleaners.
Oh, okay.
Why they're called that, I have no idea. I think because it looks like a little bristle, so you could like put it and clean things with it.
Yeah.
Okay, those are pipe cleaners. That one was a good one, that one was a hard one. Okay, so do you know what you're making?
Nope.
Have you gotten your inspiration?
Nope.
I kind of know what I'm making. I think I'm gonna do like this mountain house in the mountains with like maybe like a gingerbread house in the mountains. So like snow-capped mountains with like snowflakes. And then add like some weird embellishments. Another thing that I thought would be fun, if you're like into it, RJ and I met during our first year in college, right before Christmas. And this will be our 11th Christmas together. And I think it's 11, right? Is it 10 or 11? This 11. Is the 11th Christmas. So after 11 Christmases together, how much do we really know about each other? So like if I asked you what's my favorite color?
Black.
I do like black. But I also like other colors. I don't have a favorite color. Wrong! The answer is I don't have a favorite color.
Oh.
Okay, ask me a question.
My favorite color.
Blue. Yes! 1 point for MaCenna.
I just want to start off
Okay, so let's get started. So should I crop mine?
Yeah. Me too. I'll crop mine too.
Are you gonna crop your sweater?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I feel like it's so long, and then the mountains are gonna be like coming out of an area that I don't want mountains coming out of.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a couple whites.
Oh.
Well, I have like white and vanilla.
Does
High
it
gloss
smell
white.
like vanilla?
Does it?
Oh shoot.
You're lying.
No,
It doesn't smell like vanilla.
No,
You're
this might be good.
We got Bob Ross over here.
That's his name.
What are you trying
Bill
to...
Simmons.
Who's Bill Simmons? I don't know who Bill Simmons is. Bob Ross is the painter with
Bill Simmons. Is that the dancer?
the fro.
Oh, he's a sports columnist.
Like, I'm going to know who Bill Simmons, the sports columnist, is. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah!
Got you.
Why are you pushing me when I'm cutting with scissors?
Sorry.
What is DIY? What are you doing? What did you do? RJ! You put 2 of these on my back?
Yeah. Does this look like snow?
Sure. What city was I born in?
Missouri City.
No.
Houston.
Oh my god.
Sulphur.
It only took you 3 tries!
What city was I born in?
Sunnyvale.
Easy. No! No, don't do that.
Wait!
Right, the look and dimension of snow to holiday craft projects can be tinted with deco art acrylic paint while wet or painted when dry. I don't know what deco art is. Oh, it's this brand right here. Yeah, I'm doing it right. Don't worry. What's my favorite basketball team?
Lakers.
Everything.
What was the name of my first animal?
I have no idea. Lou.
What?
Lou.
Lou? At my great grandmother's house, I had a cat. Well, I had cats, plural. But the cat changed colors all the time because it kept running away. My great grandmother would just get me a new one every time. So when I would go over to her house, sometimes my cat would be like calico colored. And then sometimes...
What color?
Calico.
What the hell's calico? Making up all these colors.
Calico.
Like gray?
Calico is like when they're like dark, like black or gray, and then they have spots of like orange and white and black on them. Anyways, every time I would go over there, my cat would be a different color. So yes, sometimes it was like all gray, sometimes it was white and orange, and then sometimes it was all orange, whatever. But I called this cat, it didn't matter what color it was or which cat it was always named the same thing. So when I'd show up, my great grandmother would be like, here is
Calico?
what's the name? I used it for my whole childhood. It was always a girl name. It was Sassy. Sassy? Yeah, Sassy.
Can you list the name of all my mom's sisters? The first name, middle name, and last name.
Oh, no. No. Come on. I don't know anyone's middle name.
Me neither.
What's your middle name? I mean, I do know your, I knew your middle name. Okay. Eleanor, Marianne.
Last is starting last. Oh. So.
Lorna.
Yeah.
Lorna.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
No, I feel like Bob Ross right now. Do you have any green in between?
Is it?
Yeah, it's perfect.
I got a green in between. We are making a mess. So what did you make when you were in like craft class?
I made string art.
String art? Like
Yeah.
the
I
little,
made designs.
with like designs around the pegs?
They're yeah,
Yeah,
little
you're like-
pins. Yeah.
Was that fun?
Yeah, 'cause that's the only class I passed.
When I was little, what did I want to be when I grew up?
Fashion designer.
Ooh!
I know.
When you were little, I think you wanted to grow up and be an astrologer. Astrologer? Astrology? Wait,
yeah.
for like stars and stuff?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, that was, yeah. No, skater.
Oh, a skater. Oh, that's right. Like a professional skater?
I just want to get paid, I don't care.
Name a country your partner would love to visit.
Thailand.
Oh, yeah.
That's where she wants me to propose to her. Like, while I'm making this Christmas.
What? I don't want you to propose.
It's time. How come your lines are so straight? Mine are crooked.
Yours are not crooked. They look good.
What country are you from?
You don't remember the
No! What was the question?
What country would you like to visit? You would like to go to Italy.
Yeah. Yeah. I want to go to a lot of places.
I know. It's like a trick question. Well, it's like a question you don't have a wrong answer for because It's everywhere. It is looking really good. So that's his butt.
Yeah. Now I'm just gonna make his underwear.
How about mine? You like mine so
yeah,
far?
You're perfect. You're good at everything. There you go. Now I think that's starting to look like a Shuno.
Ashuno? What's a ashuno?
Shuno.
You know what?
Look at that. It's starting to look like a butt, so it's like perfect.
Oh yeah, this is so weird. What's your partner's favorite smell? Yours is definitely food related. What would be mine?
My feet.
Oh! Yeah! Making a little house! A house in the mountains. Look, you are a messy crafter. I mean, I'm a messy crafter too. You look over and there's nothing. It's pretty clean.
Pretty clean. Look at that. Dang! That looks pretty legit, huh?
Yeah. That's dope. So are you almost in it?
I'm done. One final touch.
What?
I need glitter.
Wait,
I'm
what?
gonna put glitter on here.
Yeah, but it's not gonna stick. You have to have glue to stick it.
Fuck. Oh, okay, I just ruined mine. No, I didn't. Okay, guys, I'm doing a little bit of this right here.
Baby, it's not gonna stick.
Oh, you're right, huh? Press for glue.
Oh,
Shit! I'm done. I love it.
done. We made such a mess. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Look at his butt crack. Oh my god, I love it. And here's mine. Mine's not exactly ugly. I mean, there are parts of it that I regretted doing, like this situation over here. It's like a sleigh with no reindeer and no Santa. So it's just like a runaway sleigh. But it's so great! So do you like yours?
I do actually. It's pretty cool. See? What? You don't like it?
So we hope you guys got a little inspired to make a DIY ugly sweater of your own. So if you guys like this video, definitely hit the like button below. And if you want to follow along with more holiday DIYs and more fun DIYs into the new year, definitely hit the subscribe button below, and we will see you next week. Bye guys!
Can it be inappropriate?
If you want it to be inappropriate, no.
Italian food.
Do you know me at all? So now we match Kinsley. Look. Well, hers is like dark red.